Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, April the 28th, 2023. Already solved 3 puzzles, the 3 stars Sudoku, the 4 star Sudoku, and the binary. And it's time now for the Tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru, and this one will be number 6351. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one, but it's indicated with 4 stars. So for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here single box, there single box. Single boxes are always a 1. Okay. Do we see here in this puzzle dual boxes? Do we have here dual boxes? Yeah, only one dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, triple boxes. Do we have triple boxes here? I see here triple box contains the 1, the 2 and the 3. The 1 is already given, so those 2 boxes should be the 2 and the 3. Do not know in which order. But when you see a triple box, remember that the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. Here another triple box. Cannot fill those numbers, need more information. Insufficient information right now. Here another triple box. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, cannot fill those numbers, need to wait. But when you see a triple box, I've told you earlier, the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. But we already have a 5 here in the same area, so this box should be a 4. The other side, the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Okay. More triple boxes. Nope. Quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes in this puzzle? Let me check. No quadra boxes. Alright, so the next strategy, my next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures or construction. For example, the L shape. We have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more L shapes? Nope. Then the following shape, how about, oh, we have another L shape but mirrored. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. And here we have another one but upside down. This box has the same number as that box. And here another one but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape, figure, structure or construction, whatever you name it. And with this shape, alright. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize here. We have here 3 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. A maximum of 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes, figures, structures or constructions. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These two boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. This box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 2 here, otherwise this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2, but we already have a 2 there, so it's not the solution to place the 2 there. The 2 is supposed to be here. Right, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Alright. Then these 3 boxes surround the 4 can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. We have a double 1 there, that means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. Let me think. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that that box can't be a 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4, it can be a 5 anymore, so it should be a 4 then. Okay. Alright, then let me think. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. These 2 boxes in this triple box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this triple box should be there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 1 or a 2. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2, okay. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area should be there. So I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area. Oh wait, yeah. We need a 5 here. Well, this box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2 in this L-shaped area. 2 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Okay. 1 and a 2, 1 and 2, okay. Come on. This is taking too long. Let me think. Well, this box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this triple box should be there, so 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2, alright. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, here can be 2. Well, we have a double 2 here. That means that these 2 boxes can be 2, but also that box can be 2. We have also a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. Come on. 1 and a 2. No 2 there, 2 should be here or there. Well, 5, 3. No 4 here, no 4 there. 4, 3. Come on. No 2 here, no 2. Yeah, this box can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah, can be 2. Come on. Need to think here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3. Well, this box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there, so 2 numbers left, a 1 and a 3, because it can be 4, can be 5, can be a 2, so 1 and a 3, and this box is connected with that box, will be so 1 or a 3, but we already have a 3 there, so it can be 3 anymore. This box will be a 1 then, is connected with that box, will be also 1, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, so no 3 there, 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 and 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 or a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, will be so 1 box left in this triple box for number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be here. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Let me mark those. 4 and a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4 or the 5. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Then 4, 5, 1, 2. Yeah, I'm thinking. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. This box can be a 1, but also that box can be 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I can fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 goes together with the 2 as a pair, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and this box is connected with that box. So 1 and a 2. So 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 4 and the 5. For the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. 1, 2. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can it be 2? We have a double 2 there. Can be 3? Should be a 4. Can be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. Alright. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. And that box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. 1, 2. Still need to think. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that these 2 boxes can be 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 2, but also that box can be 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Okay. I need a 2 also here. 125, 125. Let me think. This box can be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. We already have a 2 here. So the only place left for the 2, this cannot be 2 anymore. The only place left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. We have 4 numbers 4 and a 3. Let me mark those 4 and a 3. That means that these two boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. We have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be a 3 and more. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So this box will be definitely 2, and that box will be a 3. I marked those two boxes with a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be 2, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. Alright, this box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Then this box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there and a 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes and there. Then this box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 5 there. That means that this box can't be a 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. Let me mark those. That means we have a double 3 there. That means that this box can be a 3 and more. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes and there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. 3 and 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars, because I'm not faster than 20 minutes, but I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Have a great and fantastic Friday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Saturday. Yes, it's a weekend. Thank you. Bye bye for now.